All right, good morning, good evening, Mr. X's class. Today we're going to talk about the word quote. So we just recently had the word cite, C-I-T-E. One meaning of cite is the same as quote, they're synonyms, with one of the meanings of cite. So to quote, the verb to repeat the exact words that another person has said or written. So you can use cite in a similar way because cite means to, the thing about cite is when you use information, use what somebody said to support, usually to support an argument. So they're related. This one, it's not necessarily to support an argument. It's just any time when we're copying words, copying exact words that somebody said for any reason. And to quote the verb, to repeat, copy the exact words that another person has said. And when you quote in English, you should use what punctuation?
Quotation.
Quotation marks. Yeah. And okay, that's meaning number one. And meaning number two is the exact words that are copied or repeated. That's referring to the noun, so that's a quote. That's informal. That's informal. Because more formal is a quotation. So we could say, so the first definition, I quoted Shakespeare in my speech. So, so you'd say, Shakespeare said, quotation marks, right? That's how you do that. And then the second one would be, there are many interesting quotes from Shakespeare. So this one, a lot of people say this, but I remember when I got to college, and I said, do we need to put quotes in our essay? And the professor said, not quotes, quotations. Quote is the verb. So this noun quote is informal. So people say it a lot, but if you're in college, if you're in an academic situation, this is a better word to say the same thing. And let's stop there for a minute because I realized that I didn't write my sentence over.